Hi, I'm Aaron Stash. Welcome to the Electric Home Show. Today, I'm going to install this Kidde 3-in-1 smoke, carbon monoxide, and indoor air quality sensor with a built-in 10-year battery, as well as a hardwired system. Now, I've lived in my home for almost 11 years, and most of the devices I have a 10-year lifespan. So I am right at that limit, or over it in some cases. And so some of my smoke detectors have started beeping, and they won't stop beeping because they only have a 10-year or a little more lifespan. So I'm replacing my Kidde smoke detectors with a brand new Kidde 3-in-1 smoke, carbon monoxide, and indoor air quality sensor. Let's try it out. I have already moved the dial to on for the 10-year battery. I do not have to replace this battery. And I've got a green light. Putting all the wires in there. I'm using the existing housing for my old Kidde smoke detector. And I'm going to take off this.
Ready to connect. Follow quick start instructions.
There you go. Ready to connect. Follow quick start instructions. That was pretty simple. The Kidde 3-in-1 carbon monoxide smoke and indoor air quality sensor. Thanks for watching. I'm Aaron Stash for the Electric Home Show. Like and subscribe for more content. If you haven't already, download the Kidde app. Within the app, I'll see multiple locations that I've already installed. If I scroll to my hallway, which we've just installed, you'll see that I see the temperature, the humidity, and it's calibrating the VOC level. My basement CO detector, which has been installed for over a month, already has the calibration for the VOC. And so once these other units are calibrated, we'll be able to measure the VOC, the volatile organic compound level, throughout my house in different locations. Check out the Kidde 3-in-1. Thanks for watching the Electric Home Show.